I'm in the car today instead of the bench for another electronics problem. My blower in my car only works on settings 3 and 4. On 1 and 2, I've got nothing. 3 and 4 works fine. This is a problem I've had before and an extremely easy one to fix. The problem is that the blower motor resistor has failed. Instead of some sort of more complex electronic control, in an older car like this, all they do is switch in various resistor values in order to adjust the speed of the blower. In this case, most likely the medium speed resistor is out, which also affects the low speed because it puts 3 resistors in series at speed 1, 2 in series on speed 2, and only 1 at speed 3, and 4 is full power. So I'll show where to find the blower motor resistor and how to replace it. On the passenger side here, I've got the glove box open. Removed all the items from it and was able to just fold it down. Blower motor resistor is right inside here with those wires sticking out. Disconnect that, remove it from the housing, and see what she looks like. It's tight working up in here, but I got this little miniature ratchet from Harbor Freight last time I had to do this, and it fits just perfectly. Can get on the nut, we're at the nice right angle here, and take them out. So we'll unscrew it, pull out the old resistor, and then go in search of a new one. Just add this is the tool I use. It's just a little miniature ratchet. Got it from Harbor Freight. It's perfect for the job. It's got a little swivel here so you can get in around the corner and get the job done. Now I am at the bench. I've got the blower motor resistor just clamped here in the vise. We'll give it a check for resistance to see how this compares when we get a replacement. Just got a clip lead on one end of the meter connected to the rightmost terminal there, and we'll give a test and see what we get for resistance between the various terminals. We go to the one on the left, about 2 ohms. This one, 158, and this one, 158. 158 ohms, with the size motor that is, would pretty much take up all the energy between the motor and the battery, so we're not going to get much of any motor turning with that sort of resistance. We'd expect something like 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 6 ohms for the medium, high, medium, and low settings. So when we get the replacement, we'll do the same check before putting it into the car and see how things look. I've got my replacement resistor. When I went shopping online for a new one, I found that the place that I'd originally purchased it from actually offered a lifetime guarantee. So I brought it back and showed them my receipt from 7 years ago. They actually still had me in the system and were happy to replace it. If I had to purchase a new one, it would have been between $17 and $35 I found, depending on where you get it from. That's probably pretty typical for an older vehicle like this. It's just a resistor. It's not like this is some sort of computer control. So we'll do the same test and see if we have better resistance values than we saw last time. So start here. 2.1, 1.0, 1.2. So I'm not sure exactly what the pinout is. It doesn't really matter. It's certainly better values than we had last time. Let's put it in the car and see what happens. Back in the car after having swapped in the new blower motor resistor, and we have success. We're on low right now. Medium, medium high, and high. Easy fix.